क्या है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे लाइव। एशियन पेन Q3 प्रॉफिट डिप्स, TCP पोस्ट मिक्स रिजल्ट, Marico CG पावर एंड डायनामिक केबल प्रॉफिट अप, VYVMM Motilal Oswal Metro Brands PC Jewelers to announce Q3 result. Q3 result today 27 Jan 2026 live updates. Find all the latest Q3 result 2026 update. Businessman use Indian rupee money bags, granting financing business project or education, trade, economics, corruption provision, financial loan, credit, bank deposit budget, tax collection, stock photo or BL. Q3 result today 27 Jan 2026 live updates. Find all the latest Q3 result 2026 updates of Asian Paints, Tata Consumer Product, Vodafone Idea, Marico CG Power and Industrial Solution, Vishal Mega Mart, Motilal Oswal Financial Service, Metro Brands and more. Raymond Realty shares rose 2% to 420 after Q3 financial year 2026. Profit jumps to 66.79 crore. Q3 result live. Nifty bonus back 127 points as Indian EU FTA leaves statement. Nifty bonus back 127 points as Indian EU FTA leaves statement. The Nifty 50 gained 126.75 points or 0.51% to close at 25,175.40, while the Sensex rose 319.78 points or 0.39% to settle at 81,850.48. Q3 result lives to the TBS credit Q3 PA paid up 13% at 272 crore. TBS credit Q3 paid up 13% at 270 crore. For the first 9 months of financial year 2026, the paid grew by 22% at 658 crore. While total income grew by 8%, 5,351 crore. Q3 result live today. Raymond Limited post 18% revenue growth in Q3 driven by aerospace and auto components. Raymond Limited posts 18% revenue growth in Q3 driven by the aerospace and auto component. The company EBITDA grew 27% to 83 crore, with margin improving to 14.30% from 13.3%. Q3 result live. Marico Q3 net profit up 12%. Marico Q3 net profit up 12%. Marico Q3 net profit raised 12%, driven by a 20.6% revenue increase from strong consumer demand and market share growth. Tata Consumer Q3 result live. Tata Consumer Q3 net up 38% on strong volume growth. The FMCG major reported a consolidated net profit of 384.6 crore on revenue of 55,112 crore, but that was higher by 15% on year.